The CES Innovation Awards stand as a captivating competition spotlighting revolutionary innovations accessible to the everyday consumer. In the year 2021, the ingenious minds behind this cutting-edge purifier clinched the top honors. Its efficiency is so remarkable that it renders any water potable. Imagine submerging the device into a river and effortlessly obtaining 378 liters of water powered by an 18-watt-hour bank. Notably, this filtration marvel adeptly combats both microplastics and microbes, boasting a staggering 99.99% pathogen removal rate. Remarkably lightweight at just over a kilogram, with a 1,000-liter filter capacity, it's a must-have for hiking enthusiasts. The integrated solar panel-fitted case adds to its utility, all offered at a price point of merely $150. Travel enthusiasts will remember USC, a company known for its groundbreaking windbreaker-to-insulated coat innovation. USC's spirit of innovation continues with their latest creation, a pack raft, a lightweight, one-person boat. What sets it apart? This raft inflates in just 4 seconds, no pump needed. It can carry up to 181 kilograms and weighs a mere 1.4 kilograms. From outdoor adventures like hunting and fishing to critical situations, this adaptable raft holds immense potential. Initially designed for the military, it gained substantial traction on Indiegogo, raising around $275,000. Presently, it's available for $479, opening doors to new aquatic explorations. ERS presents an incredible innovation, drawing from their expertise in both automotive and aerospace domains to conceive these extraordinary globes. These portable hotel rooms, approximately 4 meters in diameter, redefine luxury. Furnished with shower, toilet, kitchenette, and elegant furniture, the spheres can be effortlessly stationed even in remote Welsh landscapes. This glamping phenomenon charges around $230 per night, offering an exclusive escape. Intriguingly, owning your personal sphere is possible at $37,000. This investment includes a fully self-sufficient variant, boasting an impressive 200mm thick insulation and efficient underfloor heating system. Step into the 21st century, where the hassle of pitching tents and blowing up mattresses is a thing of the past. Thanks to the ingenious Aerogo team, a coalition of minds including Intel and ZTE, we are presented with the groundbreaking solution. Imagine this, with a mere touch of a button, your tent and mattress inflate themselves. Let's dive into the highlights. The tent, measuring 210 by 210 by 136 centimeters, rises to life in a mere 3 minutes and can repeat this feat 30 times on a single charge. Storms and heavy snow are no match for its robust design. The price tag reads $210. As for the mattress, sized at 200 by 70 by 14 centimeters, it puffs up in just a minute and can be refilled 20 times with one charge. Impenetrable against sand, snow, and rocks, it cradles up to 300 kilograms with ease. The cost? An affordable $160. Introducing a revolutionary comfort enhancer, the heated blanket. This innovation boasts 4 distinct modes and an array of features, including rapid warming, gentle cooling over a span of 2 hours, and an auto-off function. To power up, simply connect it to a power bank with a cigarette lighter output. For an unparalleled snug experience, combine it with the matching camping cot from the identical manufacturer. This dynamic duo ensures warmth even in the harshest cold, with mode selection elegantly streamlined to a single button. Elevate your comfort game today at an affordable price, just around $100. Here we are, amidst the stunning landscapes of Patagonia, just like the backdrop of Jules Verne's epic, where Captain Krantz wielded his sword. The region's beauty with its icy glaciers and serene lakes is unmatched. But there's a twist in the climate tale. Northern parts feel the summer's embrace, while the southern end enjoys a cool 15 degrees Celsius. Packing smart for this adventure is a must. Enter the wearable sleeping bags, your cozy saviors for temperatures plummeting to 6 degrees Celsius. Surprisingly light at only 2 kilograms even in the largest size, these bags boast 2 layers of synthetic recycled insulation. Plus, the eco-conscious will cheer for the recycled polyester exterior and lining. The cost? Around $200. Let's dive into some intriguing facts. Did you know that in 2020, Sweden saw over a quarter of its tourists opting for camping over traditional stays? And check this out, electric car sales in December 2022 surged by a whopping 81% in the same country. Now, imagine merging these facts to uncover an exciting market niche. Introducing a groundbreaking product that converts your electric car into the ultimate camping climate system. Designed to work seamlessly with select Rivian and Tesla models, it keeps you cozy at 21 degrees Celsius, even in chilly 12 degrees Celsius weather. You can control it all from your smartphone. With an estimated power usage of just a kilowatt per hour, this innovation starts at an affordable $372. Will the Kickstarter campaign hit its $66,000 goal? Share your thoughts below. Discover an innovation reminiscent of the Star Wars universe and the luminous realm of the light side. A fusion by a Hong Kong collective intertwines a flashlight, tripod, and power bank. Versatile for car trunks or backpacks, a single charge fuels it for 50 hours, extendable up to 93 centimeters. Its cylindrical design snugly nests within backpack pockets. For drivers, a magnetic lock and SOS mode are invaluable features. The device shifts between warm and cool lighting, even solar rechargeable. Remarkably practical, all bundled at a compelling $70 price point. Let's explore our groundbreaking innovation segment. Imagine a foldable chair integrated with an innovative cooling system. Within seconds, it can swiftly reduce the temperature to a remarkable 7 degrees Celsius. This cutting-edge technology isn't just a breakthrough, it's also protected by a patent. You have 2 fantastic options: a complete chair with added sun protection, priced at $259, or the cooling pad alone for $152. Here's the ingenious part: utilizing 16 meters of micro-cooling lines, circulating chilled water that you can even draw from a mini fridge. Power it with a 5,000 mAh power bank, providing up to 9 hours of continuous use on the highest setting. Elevate your comfort like never before. Now, let's delve into the world of culinary ingenuity, a fusion of grilling and smoking innovation encapsulated within a sleek briefcase. While its simplicity may deceive, the creators have harnessed its patented thermal architecture and a series of groundbreaking enhancements. One striking feature is its multi-layered construction, enabling the thrill of wood-fired cooking even on wooden surfaces. A stroke of genius lies in the magnetic securing of vent sliders and grates. Priced at $650, this masterpiece caters to sizable gatherings, crafting up to 30 succulent burgers simultaneously. Weighing a mere 13 kilograms, it's an ideal companion for fishing escapades or sun-soaked beach picnics. As an extra delight, it boasts a built-in bimetallic thermometer. Elevate your outdoor cooking experience with this innovation marvel. Based on statistics, the average individual is subjected to mosquito bites approximately 100 times annually. Thus, it's no wonder that the innovators behind this groundbreaking mosquito repellent amassed an astounding $150,000 on Kickstarter, surpassing their initial $5,000 goal. This technological marvel guarantees a shielded zone spanning 9 meters, facilitated by 2 advanced plates, becoming effective in just under 50 seconds. Despite incorporating a built-in flashlight and a robust 14,400 mAh power bank, its weight remains at a mere 465 grams. With a starting price of $50, this practical gadget stands as a testament to affordability and utility combined. Presenting the latest innovation in outdoor gear, a sleek, lightweight backpack that not only accompanies hikers but also powers their adventures. Weighing just 8 kilograms, this backpack boasts an integrated solar panel and a 600 watt-hour battery, capable of charging an iPhone 13 up to 48 times. Its rugged aluminum casing houses a spacious interior, while multiple ports cater to various needs. This versatile backpack serves beyond hiking, aiding in deliveries, yard work, and blackouts. Added features include LED running lights, a pull-out rain cover, and robust protection. Elevate your outdoor experience with this essential backpack, available at $700. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel, like and leave a comment. Bye.